This project involved the reconstruction of a major highway near Grand Rapids, Michigan. Due to the heavy usage of the highway, MDOT required that the project be complete in 2 years, giving contractors 2 Michigan construction seasons to complete all of their work. Part of the project involved the construction of 12 large retaining walls to hold the highway in place. Typically, these walls would have been poured in place, but because of the tight schedule, pouring concrete on site was not an option. Precast construction turned out to be the most cost-effective and took much less time than a cast-in-place wall. The following is a step-by-step procedure showing the installation of the retaining wall. The site is graded to required elevation. The subfooting is then poured to create a level foundation for the precast footing to be set with minimal adjustments. The prefabricated precast footings are shipped to the project site from the precaster's plant and set with a crane. Shims are used to help level out the footings and compensate for any imperfections in the subfooting. High-strength, flowable grout is pumped through the grout tubes, filling the void on the underside of the base slab. Purposeful voids or keyways are left between the panels to make up for varying conditions and standard construction tolerances. These keyways are grouted after footings and walls are set. Footing blocks are used to compensate for elevation changes along the length of the wall. The prefabricated precast walls are shipped to the site from Kirchster Precast plant and set with a crane. The rebar that extends out of the top of the footings fits inside the NMB splice sleeves that are cast into the precast wall.
The NMB splice sleeve system is a mechanical splice for reinforcing bars. It is a steel sleeve, a ductile iron casting which is filled with high-strength grout. When cured, it fully develops the bars for maximum ductility to their ultimate strength.
Minor adjustments can be made with shims to ensure the top of the wall is at the correct elevation. These shims also allow for a small gap between the top of the footing and the wall for construction tolerances. Braces are used to keep walls in position while grouting keyways and sleeves. High-strength, flowable grout is pumped into grout tubes for the splice sleeve. A special washer is placed on the rebar projecting from the footing into the wall to separate the joint and sleeve grouts. Once the grout has reached its specified strength, the joint between the precast footing and the wall is filled. After all concrete and grout have reached their specified strengths, braces can be removed and walls can be backfilled. Barrier wall is poured on top and the wall is stained or finished per architectural requirements. Precast highway retaining walls provide a quick, durable, and quality solution for projects with tight construction schedules and sites. Precast retaining walls have virtually limitless possibilities in terms of aesthetics and size. Due to the off-site manufacturing process, projects can progress quickly on site, reducing the overall construction schedule and minimizing construction traffic disruptions. It is important to involve the precaster early in the design phase of the project to ensure the most efficient design and the lowest cost.